Welcome back to AM Buffalo. Happy Wednesday. Wait, is it Wednesday? It's hump day, right? Yes.
Oh, phew. Halfway through the week.
It's been one of those weeks where I was like, yesterday felt like Friday. You know, I was like,
I'm excited.
Hump day.
We have a guest, Megan Lederhouse.
We do. Oh, Megan. Hey, Megan. You know why Megan's here? Because April is Distracted Driving Awareness Month. And
That's
Megan
right.
Lederhouse is here to talk about some of the cool things that William Mattar law officers are offering to our community, including local high schools.
Yes, Megan, you take, or the office rather, takes Distracted Driving Awareness Month very seriously. Tell us about this.
We do. You know, unfortunately, because we help people after motor vehicle accidents, we've seen, you know, how within seconds, a split-second decision can really change lives. And we've seen this firsthand. So we really want to raise awareness and share education as much as we can in the area to try to prevent this from happening whenever possible.
So what is the William Mattar team doing to promote awareness here in Western New York?
So we have our Drive Distracted Lives Impacted program. So in years past, prior to the pandemic, we were able to go into high schools, specifically the new drivers. We talked about this last month too, you know, the focus on the new driver safety. So this kind of extends onto that and present to the students and give them information, real life information from the attorneys that are speaking to them firsthand. It really serves as a wake-up call. Obviously, we talk to the students about, injuries and what could possibly happen in that aspect, but also other things. You know, some people think they might not get injured, but what about financial repercussions? Things that can happen to, kids that just got their first car, maybe they're going off into the workforce or to college. And again, it's the split-second decisions that can change your life forever. So it's really important for us to get back into these schools now, post-pandemic.
So true. And you know what, Megan, I have to admit, I remember being in high school and having folks come in and kind of teach us what we should do. And usually it was around prom time, kind of letting you know, hey, be careful when you're out there, don't drink and drive, that sort of thing. But your presentation about distracted driving is pretty unique. Can you explain why?
Yep, so we've definitely thought about that, and we all remember those presentations for school. And we actually have had schools in the past that do require this presentation on the day of prom. It is very proactive of the school to do that, to keep their kids safe. But you have to make it interactive. And I think that what the students really like about this is just being able to talk to the attorneys directly and ask them whatever questions they have, whether it be about distracted driving or about, being an attorney for a personal injury firm. It's just something that's very interesting to the students. And I've noticed that the presentation is very engaging. We're not just talking at students, we're giving real life examples that make sense to them. Like I said, the financial aspect can kind of hit home with the students, we've realized.
Oh my gosh, absolutely. And you know what, I think speaking of being practical and making it fun, it's time for a little test. I do love the test that we do with you, Megan.
I do too.
You have a question for us. We put it earlier on the show. If you look down at your phone for 2 seconds, how far will you have traveled if you are driving at 40 miles an hour?
I say, I'm guessing here, you'd travel about a mile.
Really?
Is that too much?
Wait, no, 2 seconds. No, it's like, I don't know.
What's the answer, Megan?
I'm probably going to be in meters.
Are you ready for the answer?
Yes, we need the answer.
So we're going to compare this again, just like we do for our presentation, real life, put it into perspective. So in 2 seconds at 40 miles an hour, you're driving approximately the length of 3 city buses. So
just a couple hundred feet. Okay.
Wow.
118 feet.
But
that is
think about
far.
That for a second. Think about if just looking down the length of 3 city buses and not paying attention to what's in front of you.
Someone who could have been someone who could have been on the edge of the street could be in the middle of the road by then.
Yes.
Or even a bicycle. Someone.
Yep.
Yeah, and you just don't see them.
Just look at the lives that are in 3 city buses.
2 seconds.
That's a lot of lives.
That's just like split seconds making all the difference. That's phenomenal. Wow. That puts it into perspective. Don't drive distracted, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, and this is the time of year that this is really important because speaking of pedestrians, there's a lot more traffic. The weather's getting nicer. There's people out and about walking their dogs and riding their bikes, like you said. So this is when, unfortunately, we've seen these accidents where a child might be riding their bicycle or, you know, somebody crossing the street. And this is really extremely important to talk about.
It's so
not just for new drivers, for us too. We all need that reminder this time of year.
Well, and also like kids playing in the street now, the weather's good. If a ball rolls out on the road, if you're looking down, those 3 city buses, you just wouldn't see that happen. So yeah,
right, you really have to be aware of your surroundings at all times. Absolutely.
You really, really do.
Megan Lederhouse, we appreciate you. Distracted driving impacts lives.
It
You know,
really
and
does.
thank you so much for being on our show, as always, to educate folks. And as we always find out, Emily Lampa can't do fast math or quick math.
I know.
I'm like a mile.
Oh, you
That's how much.
you're just like generous with your guesses. And you know what? You can go to williammattar.com. You can go there if you are a principal or you know if you're a teacher that wants to bring those workshops to your school. You can go there. Just go to the community tab.
Yes.
Click on that. So go to the website, go to the community tab, and they've got all the contact details.
And
there.
of course, thank you to Megan, of course, for being on our show.